Hey guys, how's it going? How to add embedded video to your Bluehost site. So first of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure that you select the best plan. And if you want to get the best offer, please visit the link in the description box. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead to the official website. And if you want to add video to your site, basically what we're gonna do, you need to get the URL for the video that you would like to share. Copy the URL from your address bar and navigate back to your WordPress site. Go to the post or page where you want to share the video, and from the page or post, click on the section that you want to add the video. Then from the toolbar, click add media. I'm gonna find it right here, add media. Under section other action, insert the video from the URL, right, to add. And then now you can update your post or page and view it to see the embedded video. Okay, if you want to add video to WordPress using media blocks, go ahead, click the plus icon or block inserter, right, and this at the top of the page, and then under media blocks select video, right, and now you can upload an image by or video by accessing your media library and paste the video URL by selecting the insert from URL tab. Okay, you can easily paste the URL video by selecting the insert from URL tab. Okay, so let's find out in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.